Join me as I dive into the world of stocks and try to figure out if Grrr stock is about to explode. Grrr stock has been on a lot of people's radars lately, and for good reason. It's been making some big moves in the market, and investors are starting to take notice. As we sit here today, the question on everyone's mind is, what's next for Grrr stock? Is it poised for even bigger gains, or is it due for a correction? Let's dive in and take a closer look. One of the biggest concerns investors have with Grrr stock is its volatility. We've seen it make some huge swings in the past, and that kind of unpredictability can be enough to scare off even the most seasoned investors. And then there's the issue of market competition. Grrr is operating in a crowded space, and it's going to take some serious effort to stand out from the pack. Some folks are also worried about the company's debt-to-equity ratio, which is higher than we'd like to see. Additionally, the stock's valuation is getting up there, which could make it difficult to justify further gains. Another issue is that Grrr's industry as a whole has been experiencing some significant headwinds lately. We've seen a big shift in consumer behavior, and it's unclear how Grrr is going to adapt. And let's not forget that the company's management team has been under some scrutiny lately, with some investors questioning their ability to lead the company forward. As we weigh all these concerns, it's easy to see why some investors are taking a wait-and-see approach with Grrr stock. But, on the flip side, there are some compelling reasons to believe that this stock could be on the verge of a major surge. One of the biggest factors influencing Grrr's stock price right now is the company's recent earnings report, which was a real game-changer. We saw some huge beats on both revenue and earnings, and the guidance for the rest of the year is looking pretty rosy. And let's not forget about the recent news that a big institutional investor took a significant stake in the company. That's got to give you some confidence that the smart money is starting to take notice of Grrr. When we take a closer look at Grrr's financials, we can see that the company is doing some things really well. The balance sheet is looking healthier than it is in years, and the free cash flow is really impressing. And then there are the positive trends we're seeing in the industry as a whole. But what really catches my eye is the technical analysis of Grrr's stock chart. We're seeing some really bullish signs here, folks. The moving averages are lining up in a very positive way, and the relative strength index is telling us that this stock is ready to pop. So what does it all mean? In my opinion, the evidence is starting to suggest that Grrr stock is on the verge of a major surge. We've got the earnings beat, the institutional investment, the improving financials, and the bullish technicals all lining up in our favor. In conclusion, Grrr stock is definitely one to keep an eye on in the coming weeks and months. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this stock has the potential to make some big waves in the market. What do you guys think? Are you bullish or bearish on Grrr stock? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more in-depth stock analysis.